Hi, I'm Javis Lewis, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick WordPress tip that I've picked up because of something that Google have told me. So they've sent me this email saying that, hey, Googlebot found an increase in server errors on one of your websites, pinkstone.co.uk. Now that's my iOS dev diary on which I share tips and tricks on iOS development. At least I used to before I, got bored with it. But anyway, so they've sent me this list here. No, that's not it. Those are messages from my mother. So this list was much longer. I fixed most of these errors already, but after researching what happened and how it came to be, I want to show you the cause and effect and share with you a very simple solution of how to clear that up. So Google are saying, for example, let's take this one here, how to create a Twitter follow button. They're saying that on this URL, Googlebot couldn't access the contents of this URL because the server had an internal error when trying to process the request. So let's click on that, and sure enough, white screen of death. But this is my back end. If I look at the front of my website, everything seems to be in order. So I'm logged in, and this is odd, so I don't really know what's going on there. Let me go into the, in fact, let me copy the URL over, close this window down, and just for an additional check, I'm going to head over to Firefox here. And in Firefox, I'm not logged in. I'm using Safari as my logged in browser and Firefox as my non-logged in browser. I'm getting the same effects. I'm getting also a white screen of death. But on other pages, on other posts directly, I'm not getting that. So what's going on there? I have no idea. I was doing research. I was looking into how can I tweak the PHP INI settings, or perhaps there's some MySQL settings that need to be fixed with for extremely long posts or whatever. Perhaps there needs to be like a little memory tweak or something. And I've tried lots and none of it works. So it's a dedicated server there. I have to set everything myself. I thought perhaps I'd overlook something. I have not. Some posts, even with short content like this one, it was just not showing up. This one contains a gist, and I believe this one, how to create a Twitter follow button, would also contain a gist from GitHub, but other posts did not, like this one. So text-only posts were also having an issue, like what's new in iOS 9, older posts, what's new in iOS 9, that are only just containing text, and it was just not loading. All I got was a white screen of death, and it was just, what's going on there? So anyway, I'm getting over here, and I'm just going into my WordPress admin backend for this, and under posts, guess I gotta hurry. Under posts, I'm finding my post firstly. So create Twitter button. Perhaps we can do that before the battery runs out. So here it is, how to create a Twitter follow button in your app. Let's click that. And there's really nothing important about this. There is a tiny little code snippet here, but that's it. It's not a big post, yet it only shows up white. So my solution to this, and don't laugh at me when I do this, place your cursor somewhere in the top of the post there, and just add a more tag. Insert a more tag. So this indicates to WordPress that if you display this post on the front page or in search results, on some themes there's just a continue reading link, and then WordPress will display the whole post, and other than that it will just display this bit at the top here, but not if the whole URL for the post is clicked. So I'm just going to update that with the more tag. Again, the more tag I wouldn't really set here under normal circumstances. Takes a moment because I have a busy website, and that's not it. Let's go over to the Firefox site, which a moment ago just had a white screen of death here, and let's refresh that page, and out of a sudden, hurrah, there it is, how to create a Twitter follow button in your iOS app. And everything shows up as the creator I had intended it to, but now with the exception that it works. So I don't know why, but that's the solution. The more tag, the magic more tag, and I thought I'd share that with you before I'm fixing all my errors, and I can then go back to the Google site and go mark as fixed. Mark as errors fixed, yes, indeed. And you know, another error comes off my list. I don't know why this works, but I know that other solutions that I've tried did not work. Thought I'd share this with you as a quick tip from the WP Guru. Bye for now. I will see you later. Thanks for watching.